Part 1. Dansk. Eisenarts Sekte er en medrivende roman, der behandler temaer om barnlig uskyld, religion og misbrug med smertefuld realisme. Historien fokuserer på dramaet omkring den unge Emil, der føler en dyb ensomhed efter sin fars død, og hvis liv bliver vendt op og ned af sin mors ægteskab med Ahmed. Udsat for sin nye stedfars, Ahmeds, hårdhed og vold, finder Emil sig selv under den strenge disciplin af en sexskole. Romanen fremstiller den sørgelige fortælling om, hvordan Emils barndom er grusomt taget fra ham, langsomt men sikkert forsvindende fra hans greb. Part 2. English. Eisenarts Sect is a compelling novel that deals with themes of childish innocence, religion, and abuse with a painful realism. The story focuses on the drama of young Emil, who feels a profound loneliness following the death of his father and whose life is turned upside down by his mother's marriage to Ahmed. Exposed to the harshness and violence of his new stepfather, Ahmed, Emil finds himself under the strict discipline of a sex school. The novel presents the sorrowful tale of how Emil's childhood is coolly snatched away, slowly but surely disappearing from his grasp.